Hello everybody, this is Lorenzo Perella for Quiz 5, CSC 110, Clark Willamette. Today is we're going to be going through number 3, which is to create a table of even integers that factorialize as such. Now in order to do this, we first use the helper code from number 1, which in this case is the same idea of factorializing, but now just doing it by integers of 2. And that we start out with 2 because that's where we want it to start. And then what we're doing is creating a statement of that value jumping into, and that in each instance is jumping by 2. Then we update the product accumulator by multiplying that by 2 and return the product accumulator, which allows it to be a fruitful function. No, sorry. When we have a print, it's a void function. And then, when we get to 3, we define that table. And it's the same idea of the range as before. You update it. And then you print it. You print out your headings. And then you want to make a new piece for each of those parts. For you use print product even int II, which will keep it at the first value that you use for I in the range. And then you do I plus 2, make it simple. And at the end, what I thought was I and I times 2. The problem though is when to run it, it creates it so it'll work the first number, but afterwards it just doesn't seem to work. And I've looked over this multiple times and I just don't know what I'm doing wrong. So hopefully I can find an answer, but right now this is the best I've got. So I do apologize if it can't really work, if I can't really explain what's going on. I'm just trying to give the best I can. So anyway, that's me, Lorenzo Perella for Quiz 5. Take care. Have a nice evening.